My name is Wilson Mukundi. I'm in my second year of study, pursuing a course in Bachelor of Educational Arts. Yeah, I'm a member of Knowledge Ambassadors Club, and I'm so privileged to be in this club, first of all. And I appreciate our patron for the work he is doing to the club. Yeah, today we were doing an outreach of our club, the Knowledge Ambassadors Club. We visited the department and the faculty of nursing and engineering, and their response was good. They said that they're going to embrace the idea, they're going to embrace the use of the digital library, and we so much appreciate for their feedback. I'm so happy for this event. Yeah, it's a good one. I'm so happy seeing people all over showcasing their different innovations, different ideas that will help we as the students to progress in our education.
Everyone, my name is Irene Misiko. So I'm a student here in Chuka University pursuing criminology. I'm in Knowledge Ambassadors Club. So basically today we had an outreach. It was a Myloft app day. So we went to the Faculty of Education. We also went to the Faculty of Nursing. We also went to the Faculty of Engineering and to the Transport Department. So basically it was well received. You know, we have those heads of departments, the professors and all. They are those that are still, continuing with their studies. So they were saying like they have been trying to find, platforms to get more information, and they have been having issues. But now with the advent of the Myloft that we introduced to them, they received it warmly. Even some of them promised to come by the desk because and even we left some of them downloading actually. So it's something that is good, and we are sensitizing people to embrace it. And and in case of information, you just come to the library. Actually, knowledge is power, and that's why we should.
Yeah, my name is Yes Mutuma. I'm a first year student. I'm part of Knowledge Ambassadors and the Library of Chuka. So today we are doing some tour in campus, just make people know about Myloft. So what we did that we go to the Faculty of Science and Technology, talk to lecturers. They are great, others they download the app, they were very happy. Talk to some students in the library. That's 604. They agreed the Myloft, they activate, and they say that it was encouraging one because they say that they can use when they are in home, when they are outside the school. So even they were happy to have that Myloft and that they said that if they know earlier, they could have gone far, and they say that it is just encouraging to understand. So we did that, and we are very happy. Also lecturers, we are very happy they can give assignment through that. And people from other faculty, they can enjoy it. So it's just enjoyment compared to other physical library. So just take some time and just enjoy it.